Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our testing indicator series. Today we'll analyze the range filter indicator, a custom trading indicator that displays accurate buy and sell signals on your chart. I will show you the best way to use it and also test it across 4,000 trades and different markets to uncover its true profitability. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to give a quick shout out to my subscriber SoarTech, who suggested this indicator. So a big thanks to you. Although you asked me to test the range filter as part of a strategy, I will first evaluate it in this series, and if the results are promising, I will then test the full system you suggested. Also, if any of you also want to share an indicator for me to test in a future episode, feel free to drop it in the comments or in my free Discord community. The link is in the description. Now let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First click on Indicators, then type Range Filter Buy and Sell, and you can find this version provided by this trader that you can use for free. By definition, the range filter is an effective tool for filtering price action, helping to remove minor market noise. This indicator identifies clear trends by changing bar colors based on price movements, and it's great for timing reversal points, displaying these buy and sell signals on your charts. By default, it uses a period of 100 and a range multiplier of 3, which are the settings I will use for today's analysis. However, if you prefer smoother signals, I advise you to change this value to 4.5. And now there is only one thing left to do, which is to backtest this indicator. To do this, as usual, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding the technical system, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2. A volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. And regarding the testing conditions, we will backtest the indicator on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. And in short, these are our conditions. Now we just need to backtest this system. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. Over 150 traders are already using this tool with outstanding feedback, and you can join them too. With a selection of more than 75 indicators and new ones being added weekly, the ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot offers a flexible and powerful platform to test endless combinations of indicators and strategies quickly, simply and efficiently. For more details, check the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the range filter indicator with entry trigger function, the 200 period EMA for baseline and the right risk management rules, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts with the respective stop loss and exit point, and is quite precise as you can see. Besides that, it also provides the monthly results here in this table and the overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. And since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create the trading journals. I will speed up this part of the video, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. I will see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 4,000 trades across the 3 different time frames. In the 30-minute one, after 1,900 trades, it achieved a win rate close to 51% and a small net profit of 64%. Here you can check other metrics and also the results of every single asset, where we can detect that some of them got big drawdowns, being this something that is reflected in the equity chart, which, despite being profitable, is not consistent. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, after 1,950 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of about 51% and a net profit of 94%. Again, here you can find other metrics and also the results from every asset. Looking at the equity chart, it was similar to the previous one. It was profitable but not very consistent, because after this moment here it has been flat, which is something that usually I don't like to see. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 81 trades, this indicator achieved a win rate close to 58% and a net profit of 25%, being this result one of the best ones we have ever seen in this time frame. Overall, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple time frames and assets, it is clear that the range filter is an indicator probably more suitable for higher time frames, like the daily and the weekly ones. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. In our ranking sheet, after considering all the results and comparing them with other indicators, I believe the range filter fair place is here. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. I remind you that you can access this document through the first comment down below. On this first page, you will find this table with the ranking of the indicators tested in this series, and on this other page, you will find the results of some of the strategies we have already tested on the channel. Also, if you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. By the way, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, AlgoTradePro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.